Hi guys, this is Seth from Rockledge Gardens, and today I'm going to give you a little overview on mangoes. This here is one of our mango trees we have planted, and one of the most important parts is going to be finding a good spot for it. One of the most important things for mango is a really well-drained area. This one here is kind of above the ground a little bit, just by like a foot or so. And that's perfect for mangoes. You don't want it to be in any sort of ditch or anywhere that water is going to pool up, because it's going to really struggle there. All right, so if you already have your mango tree planted, you want to water it probably around twice a week. That's usually the golden rule of thumb for most fruits. And keep your eye out for symptoms of over or under watering. Overwatering is very easy to spot. The brown usually forms on the tips of the leaves, and it'll slowly spread inwards. It's very easy to rectify though. Just cut back on the watering a little bit and you should be good to go. So if your plant is looking really droopy and having a hard time supporting itself, it's most likely underwatering, which is also easy to rectify. Just bump up the watering a little bit more and you should be good to go. For fertilizing mangoes, this is the product that we recommend. It's a citrus, avocado, and mango fertilizer. So you don't want to fertilize the mango straight away as soon as you plant it. You want to wait probably around 4 to 5 months for it to kind of get established before you fertilize. And then from there, you can fertilize anywhere from 2 to 3 times per year and you should be good to go. Make sure to check your local laws about fertilizing bans and plan accordingly.